What's up guys, welcome back to my video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I installed this wig from Nice Hair. This is a 13x4 honey blonde wig. I got it in the 24-inch. I'm gonna go right into how I did this, how I washed it, how many times I washed it, all of that. Very quick look, it's nothing super technical about it, but I just went ahead and put this on, blended it and everything, and yeah, I'm gonna show you guys how I did that. With that being said, let's get right into the video. I went ahead and already glued in my wig cap. Now this is my second time filming this video. Yes, I literally ripped the wig off because I didn't have the camera on the right setting, and I was just like, okay, like if I'm gonna get a new device, I'm gonna use it right. So I went ahead, I got help from my boyfriend, and I went ahead and set the camera now, so the quality is much more clear, I should say, and quality content is the only thing we're giving out right now. I'm trying to remember all the things I said in the last time I filmed it, but right now I went ahead and did my makeup, and I went ahead and glued this on. It did come off just a little bit, like it just like misplaced a little bit once I was taking it off. I'm gonna go ahead and put a little more glue at the edge. I got the 24-inch 13x4 honey blonde wig, I believe is what it's called. Came in this box, cute little box with instructions at the back. And in the box came, of course, if you've ordered hair off of AliExpress before, you've seen this and ways you could get some extra money off of, I believe, your next purchase. And then it came with some extra, with a band for the wig that you could sew on. And I didn't notice that this was in here until actually today. So I do have, like, I feel like I have a smaller head because sometimes, like, when I wear wigs, like, it won't like fit right, so then I'll have like that awkward like lump at the back, and I'll just be like, how do I fix that? So I'm actually glad that it came with this, because in the future when I do want to sew it on, it will give me a nice grip. Also, it's not every day where I want to do this whole process where I put down the wig cap, put the glue, let it dry, then I put the wig on. Sometimes I just want to like put the wig cap on and just put the wig on and like go. But I feel like having this too would like help with that, so like you don't have to like necessarily glue it on. It just gives you like a seamless look without the glue, a glueless seamless look essentially. And then it came with 2 extra pieces, I believe, of that. So here's that. Here is the wig herself. Again, 13x4 lace, super soft. I have worn this wig about 3 or 4 times already. I had to wear it for my anniversary. Unfortunately, I could not film that day, so I went ahead and inserted some clips of what I did to the hair, washing and just like prep wise in general. And this wig is perfect. It's still as soft as it came. It's still as soft. So this is still as soft as like when it came. Sometimes with my wigs, when I wear it out like that, like a couple of times, it'll get frizzy and it just won't be like the same as it was before. I appreciate this a lot, and I think something that also helped was the fact that while I straightened it, I went ahead and picked up a heat protectant. I feel like this was really essential into like why it's so soft. A lot of the times I don't think that I need heat protectant. I'll just straighten the wig, and that's probably just like my ignorance. I was just at the store one day and I was like, you know, let me pick this up because I know my wig was gonna come. So I was like, okay, let me just pick this up, see the difference, and I put it on, and I think this is why it's still soft, because it protected the heat. And again, this is my second time filming this video, so you're gonna see some glue residue and stuff like that. I already went ahead and colored everything. You see the foundation and all that, but you know, it's okay, we move. When I did get it out of the box, it had like a really bad fish smell. Like, it was strong. I was like, wow, like it was something else. What I did for the wig is I washed it a good 3 to 4 times. First with like my regular shampoo, and then I went ahead and went in with the peppermint Dr. Bronner's, I believe. So I literally let that sit in as well. I went and did whatever I had to do around the house, and then I let that sit, and then I went ahead and put conditioner after that, and I let that sit for a couple hours, just so of course it can condition it and then also get the smell out. And when I did that, there was no smell after. When you do get it, I don't know if that's for everyone, but when I got it, I was like, was taken aback. I'm going to go ahead and do like a half half up, half down style with like the two strands out. On for you guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this mirror, see how things are looking. Oh, I forgot. Okay, so I'm gonna actually slip this off a little bit and put some more glue at the edge. And like literally, if you guys see this like mark over here, this is where the band was, like the wig cap was. It literally like receded when I had to take it off. I ran out of my freeze spray just like the other day, so that's why I'm not using that. But in some cases I actually prefer this better, which is now because when I do have makeup on and I use the freeze spray, you'll see it like drip down and then you'll see like the marks, and I hate that because even when you try to go back in foundation, you'll see that mark, and it's just like you just gotta start all over like at that point. So I went ahead and put my glue on. I am so impatient when it comes to like putting on wigs, especially now when I'm in a rush and this is my second time filming. But I'm going to go ahead and just lay it on because gotta go. I'm going to go ahead and make my part a little more defined, like so. I already put in concealer and a little bit of eyeshadow in those parts. Sorry, I'm looking at my mirror if you're wondering what I'm doing down here. But I'm gonna push the lace actually a little bit more above. That's where originally my wig cap was before it receded. Now I'm going quickly here. I'm going to take, I'm trying to hold my mirror like in an awkward position. Dang, how's this gonna work? Okay. So I'm looking at my mirror on the side right now, but I'm going to take two strands out of the very front. So I got my two strands going. I'm going to go ahead and do this now. I'm gonna glue the sides down later, but where's that at? These. So off camera, I went ahead and glued down this side correctly, and then I went ahead and redid the ponytail because it was looking all types of something. So I'm going to glue down the second side, which is right here. Like I said, there's still some like residue, so honestly, like I don't even have to apply that much at the moment because I literally ripped off this wig right after I put it on. So like all the work I did with like the all that, it just whoop, it went away. So I know you guys are cringing. I'm over here like this to try and glue it, but I'm in a rush. I just wanted you guys to see like the style and everything that this wig got going on. So this is the final look. I also went ahead and I used the Jackie Aina palette to kind of, I've been using anything to kind of like shade in and match the mark to my face, but I go in with Credit and Ginger, these two colors, to kind of match that. So I already did it, like I said, but I think it could use like a little more blending. This wig looks so good right now. You guys see this? Like, let me give you guys a close-up. Like, look at the quality, the texture, the color, the just this, everything about it is just so, look at it, the bounce, all of that. Like, what? Look at this. The sides, I would say, could definitely be better in like blending wise and everything, but I just wish my camera would cooperate. But we move. This is that. I really love this wig. Like I said, this is like my third or fourth time wearing it, and it's still as soft as like when it came. Like, it literally just runs through my fingers. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Please look out for my next video coming. If you have any video suggestions, please let me know in the comment section down below. I'll go ahead and put this wig's description and link in the description box as well. And that's that. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.